Do you know in Nigeria you can actually start up a business with just 50,000 naira? Wow! I'm sure you're surprised. Stay tuned to the end of this video. Hello! Welcome to iTech Vlog. My name is Esther, and today we are going to talk about 5 businesses you can start off with just 50,000 naira. I know you are surprised. Anyways, before we continue, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on our Facebook, on our Instagram and TikTok at iTech TV. Now, let's get to the topic. Number 1 on our list is church business. You might be wondering, what is church business and how can I start up this business? Let me tell you a secret. You know the bankers, the office workers, some of the church they wear is not actually like they buy it from a big shop. You can start up your business with just 30,000 naira or you can start up with 50,000 naira depending on the capital you are looking at. Okay, we have area market at Aba. You can go there, ask around where you can get a shirt material. Even as you buying it, you will see people asking you want to how can we sew it, and you can use little amount to sew your shirt. They can put a print of any type you want, and boom, you just start up your business. You can take your shirt to the dry cleaner, wash it, iron it, and that is a business. So that's a business you can actually start off with little amount of 30,000 naira or 50,000 naira depending on the budget you have at hand. Second on my list is phone accessories. Your earphone, your earpods, your charger, your phone pack, screen guards, and all the phone accessories you can think of. You can notice that the increase of this demand is high all of the time. So it's like a foodstuff business that you can start off with low price of 50,000 naira or 30,000 naira depending on how much you are budgeting at the time. Third on my list is Zobo Business. You might be wondering, how is it possible? But let me tell you something. It's one of the lucrative business you can actually start off at the comfort of your home with little amount of 5,000 naira. You can actually sell it at the comfort of your home with packaging, and you can also show your Zobo. You can still make large order. You can still make large order from big companies, and look, that can actually be a big gain at the end of the day. Fourth on my list is foodstuff business. You might be wondering, how is this achievable? But it is really achievable because it is one of the easiest sales we do every day because people eat every day. The gain there is when you actually have a farm that produces this foodstuff like ugu, pumpkin, melon, and all the rest of foodstuff that people need day to day. So you can actually look into this business because you can actually start with a minimum of 30,000 naira or the lowest depending on how your budget. And finally on my list, let's talk about. And finally on my list is small scale farming. This is a way whereby you get a little plot of land where you have the different plantations of vegetation, like your cassava vegetation or plantation, or you have your vegetable plantation. This is a really cool business to look into because you can actually start with a little amount of 50,000 naira and you get a lot of gain before the end of the year. So guys, these are 5 businesses you can actually start off with a little amount of 50,000 naira or lesser. Before I leave, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I remain your favorite host, Esther. Bye for now.